Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore products that promise to elevate our beauty routines. Today, we're talking about something that's not only a classic, but also a little bit of a game changer in the lipstick world, the ZOYA Lipstick in the shade Cameron. If you're someone who loves a satin finish that feels as good as it looks, this might be your next go-to. The ZOYA Lipstick in Cameron is a cream formula designed to give your lips that perfect balance of moisture and color. With a satin finish, it's got just the right amount of shine to make your lips stand out without being overly glossy. The 0.1 ounce tube is compact, making it easy to throw in your bag for on-the-go touch-ups. But let's dive into whether this lipstick truly lives up to the hype. When I first tried this lipstick, one of the immediate things I noticed was how creamy and smooth it went on. The formula is incredibly comfortable, and it does exactly what it promises, keeping your lips moisturized throughout wear. For a cream lipstick, I was pleasantly surprised at how light it felt. There's no heaviness, no sticky feeling, just a smooth, satiny layer of color that hugs the lips. The shade Cameron is a lovely nude with a warm undertone, which is versatile enough to wear daily or with more dramatic eye looks. Now about real-world performance. I wore this lipstick for a full day, through my coffee break, lunch, and a few touch-ups. It did stay on longer than I expected, though I did find that the color faded a little towards the middle of my lips by the end of the day. The moisturizing element definitely held up though, which is a huge plus. For those of us who sometimes struggle with dry lips, this is a real benefit. On to the pros and cons. Starting with the positives, I love the satin finish. It's not too matte, and it's not too glossy. It gives the lips a soft, plump appearance without any of that uncomfortable dryness that you sometimes get from long-wear formulas. It's also hydrating, which is something I absolutely value in my lip products. The shade Cameron is universally flattering, making it a great everyday option for a lot of different skin tones. However, one con I did notice was that the color doesn't have the best staying power. It does fade with eating and drinking, which might be a deal breaker for those who need their lipstick to last all day without touch-ups. The compact size is convenient, but it also means you'll likely run through this tube faster than other lipsticks, making it less cost-effective for those who wear lipstick daily. Speaking of cost, ZOYA Lipstick is priced in the mid-range, which makes it a good option for those looking for something that strikes a balance between quality and affordability. That said, there are other lipsticks in this price range with longer wear time, so the value really depends on how much you prioritize moisture and comfort over longevity. When it comes to build quality, I have no complaints about the packaging. The tube is sleek and simple, but sturdy enough to survive being tossed in your makeup bag. And because of the compact size, it's travel-friendly. As far as longevity of the product itself, it hasn't dried out or changed consistency, so it seems pretty well made in that regard. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something with a longer wear time, I'd suggest checking out other satin finish lipsticks or even matte formulas with hydrating properties. Brands like Maybelline and Revlon offer similar shades and textures, and they might give you that extended wear you're seeking. However, if you value comfort and moisture over staying power, ZOYA's Cameron is still a strong contender. To wrap this up, ZOYA Lipstick in Cameron does a fantastic job of combining comfort and color with a satin finish that's flattering and hydrating. It's ideal for those who want a lipstick that feels good to wear throughout the day, but if you need something with intense, long-lasting power, you might want to look elsewhere. I'd recommend this to anyone who loves a soft, natural lip look that doesn't require too much upkeep. If this review helped you make up your mind, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an honest, detailed review. Your support means the world and helps us continue to bring you the best beauty insights. Thanks for watching, and remember, beauty is more than just skin deep. Stay beautiful inside and out. If you've tried this lipstick or have any other favorites, drop a comment below. Let's chat about what you love.